Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Scholastic Brass Corporation manufactures brass musical instruments for use by high school students. The company uses a normal costing system in which manufacturing overhead is applied on the basis of tracked labor hours. The company's budget for the current year included the following predictions: begin into array into IR text into budgeted total manufacturing overhead 4,26,300 text into budgeted total direct labor hours into based on practical capacity and 20,300 and into array. During March, the firm worked on the following two production jobs: quad job number T81 consisting of 76 trombones, quad job number C40 consisting of 110 cornets. The event of March are described as follows: A. 1000 square feet of rolled brass sheet metal were purchased on account for $5,000. B. 400 pounds of brass tubing were purchased on account for $4,000. C. The following requisitions were submitted on March 5. Quad requisition number 112:250 square feet of brass sheet metal at $5 per square foot for job number T81. Requisition number 113:1000 pounds of brass tubing at $10 per pound for job number C40. Quad requisition number 114:10 gallons of valuable lubricant as at $10 per gallon. All brass used in production is treated as tracked material. Valuable lubricant is an intract material. D. Analysis of labor time cards revealed the following labor uses of March. Tracked labor job number T81 800 hours at $20 per hour. Quad tracked labor job number C40, 900 hours at $20 per hour. Intract labor general factory cleanup $400. Quad intract labor factory supervisory salaries $9,000. E. Depreciation of the factory building and equipment during March amounted to $12,000. F. Rent paid in cash for warehouse space used during March was $1,200. G. Utility cost incurred during March amounted to $2,100. The invoices of these costs were received, but the bills were not paid in March. H. March property taxes on the factory were paid in cash, $2,400. I. The insurance cost covering factory operation for the month of March was $3,100. The insurance policy had been prepaid. J. The cost of salaries and fringe benefits for sales and administrative personnel paid in cash during March amounted to $8,000. K. Depreciation on administrative office equipment and space amount to $4,000. I. Other selling and administrative expenses paid in cash during March amounted to $1,000. M. Job number T81 was completed on March 20 and half the trombones in job. Number T81 were sold on account during March for $700 each. The March 1 balances in selected accounts are as follows: begin into array into IR, text into cash, and H space into 5PT, 10,000 text into account receivable, and 21,000 text into prepaid insurance, and 5,000 text into raw material inventory, and 1,49,000 text into manufacturing supplies inventory, and 500 text into work in process inventory, and 91,000 text finished goods inventory, and 2,20,000 text accumulated depreciation buildings and equipment, and 1,02,000 tax accounts payable, and 13,000 tax wages payable, and 8,000 and array. Required 1. Calculate the company's predetermined overhead rate for the year. 2. Prepare journal entries to record the events of March. 3. Set up T accounts and post the journal entries made in requirements. 2. 4. Calculate the over applied or under applied overhead for March. Prepare journal entry to close this balance into cost of goods sold. 5. Prepare a schedule of cost of goods manufactured for March. 6. Prepare a schedule of cost of goods sold for March. 7. Prepare an income statement for March. And the answer of the question is predetermined overhead rate is equal to budgeted total manufacturing overhead, budgeted total direct labor hours. Tax predetermined overhead rate is equal to FRAC into 4,26,300 into 20,300 is equal to $21. 2. Prepare journal entries to record the events of March. A. Raw material purchase, raw material inventory 5,000, accounts payable 5,000. B. Brass tubing purchase, raw material inventory 4,000, accounts payable 4,000. C. Requisitions work in process inventory job T81 1,250, raw material inventory 1,250, work in process inventory job C40 10,000. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.